Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just on, I'd done a video on how to install dash in your car if you wanted, and originally I did one on first, can you do, you know, a Honda premium radio, and then after that I had to do this one, because if you watch both those videos you'll find out it doesn't work. So, in the one video, there were a lot of gaps. Like, there were gaps in the AC vent, down here. And it's just due to the custom head unit manufacturing process. It just creates these gaps. So I talked about potentially vinyl wrapping, you know, to give the head unit a little bit more style over this very bland looking one. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's just it's just a very matte, bland black. So I wrapped this in carbon fiber. It really seals most of the gaps. There's a few at most. You could go hunting for them if you really want to, but for the most part, it does exactly what I needed to do. It adds some aesthetics and sealed the gaps. So just wanted to give you an update on that, just in case you were wondering if that actually does work. It does. Now I did this myself. Took me a little while. It's not 100% perfect. It's pretty good. I mean, it's flush. There's no bubbles that I could see. So overall, I'm happy with it. Like I said, it's not perfect. Not like a professional did it or something, and you know you're gonna get that 100% professional look, but for me it came out nice. So just in case you were thinking about doing this, it is a potential way to go. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you like this, hit that subscribe button, like the video. Catch everyone later.